This is Daksha hosting a session with the emerging brand Nasibo. The founder is Shipra Narang to introduce the meaning of Nasibo, which means grace, luck, and destiny. Nasibo celebrates the beauty and grace for every Indian woman, which brings peace, prosperity, serenity, modernity to her family and the world. With Nasibo, we honor every woman with the title Nasib Wali as she is being honored with her true respect and values in the Indian modernity. When you see the pieces are turned into elegance with the touch of simplicity. Every piece is thoughtfully designed to reflect her strength, charm, and individuality. Let's connect with the founder herself, Shipna Narang. Welcome her on board. Shipra, we are very excited to welcome on here. How are you doing today?
Hi, Daksha.
Hello.
I'm very well, thank you. And thank you for having me over here today.
Likewise, Shipra, it's too great to have you here also.
Thank you.
So, the audience is very curious to know your journey because I know you as a person and we have been connecting since last 1 year. If you can share the evolutionary journey of the brand Nasibo and how actually it was born.
All right. Thank you, Daksha, for allowing me to share some of my precious thoughts about the way Nasibo was created and was brought into the world. So it was 2023. The time was November, and I was contemplating to stay in my teaching profession or not.
Right.
I was undergoing a major transformation inside about career change and wasn't able to take the right decision
Mm-hmm.
whether I should quit my job or not. Because obviously, the comfort of staying in a job and having your bank balance getting credited every month was like a drug. And a moment came where my husband called me up while I was in school, and he told me that if I gift you a baby Nasibo,
Right.
are you ready to quit your job this moment?
So you intended to say the Nasibo evolution is a cooperation of
Yes.
Mr. Narang
And
also.
yes, absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely.
Yes.
His the name is his baby, I would say.
Wow.
Yeah. And
Yes.
that was a spark moment in my life
Hmm.
where I immediately put down the phone and I said yes to myself, and I'm ready to take charge of a new life ahead.
So officially the brand was launched in 2024, Shipra. However, what I can examine, the seeds were sown since the 4 years of before actually officially launching it.
Yes, Daksha. So when COVID stuck, and the profession of teaching also had undergone a major change at that time,
Right.
because we switched over from offline mode to online mode completely. And at that
Yeah.
time, I felt that if teaching does not remain like a permanent thing, all
Right. Hmm.
I must have something to fall back on as my parallel career option.
True.
And my love for fabrics and designs and Indian wear was always inside me. I wanted to bring it out. So I started doing something part time along with my school teaching work. And I was blessed enough to have a small client base. The moment I started, my friends and family supported this work.
As it seems, Nasibo is a passion driven brand. Shipra wanted to know about the collection, which I know on various kind of concepts and theme. Season wise, quarterly, you launch different collections, which I can see here also. Naming the collections of Nasibo are Terra Collection, Vibe Collection, Bahar Collection, Prem Collection, and many more. Every collection has its own significance, meaning, and its purpose because it is signifying the eternity and peace of modern era. To know the detailing and the concept insights, Shipra herself would be giving a vision value for the brand. So, Shipra, as I mentioned, every collection has a theme. So, what exactly is a passion driven and what makes you make these type of collections in such a annual term around two full launches? Can you just let us know?
Sure, Daksha. To start with, I will embrace you with our Prem collection. And Prem is the name of my father.
Wow.
He was a block printer artist. He worked on block prints for good 2 decades. And at that time, I wasn't ready to take that as my career option. But I always used to see him working with fabrics, prints, colors, combinations. and he would pass on those pieces to me, and I would style it myself, and I would wear it with a lot of confidence and with a lot of pride. This is created by my father. Next, then I thought about creating something in a very modern manner, Daksha.
Mhm.
uh, Zen signifies relaxation in Chinese language,
Wow.
and therefore Zen came to my mind to create something which is more comforting, relaxing, and can be also associated with a little more modern thought process.
Right. You know, when I heard this collection named Zen, the one click comes up because it's an era of Indian modernity and a fusion which you are doing with the 90s era and today's generation. So the generation today is
Yes,
called Gen Z.
yes.
So I somewhere as a user will think, oh, this is a Gen Z collection, something made for the new generation. Am I right?
Absolutely, you're right. Yes,
Hmm.
because they are more into comfort wear than into structured fits. Gen Z people,
Right.
and even I would say even elder generation, little older people, age bracket 35, 45, coming from 90s
Hmm.
again, will resonate with this collection because of the comfort and the fabric quality that we bring into it.
So Shipra in a gist, vibe, Terra, Prem comes into a Pret line. And Bahar collection is a sort of a couture collection.
Yeah.
Can you just give a little highlighting because the festive season is about to launch and your team is dedicatedly the Karigar team and of course your whole energy is
Yeah.
coming for the festive season.
So when we were thinking about creating our festive range, we thought about especially about season changing.
Yeah,
So from monsoon to autumn, autumn to winter,
right.
and therefore this term Bahar came into my mind. Why
Yeah,
not bring out a collection which resonates with change in festivities, with
change in
change in
seasons.
seasons, and
Yeah.
therefore change in festivities also?
Mm-hmm.
Again, the thought behind was keeping the fabric quality very high
Hmm.
and bringing class products which are not only meant for your festive wear
Yeah,
but can also be reused. Suppose you have small wedding functions to attend, you have
yeah,
resort functions to attend, you could
yeah.
use these pieces easily by playing with your accessories little up and down and bring it to your usage again. So they're not like
Right.
forgotten pieces, once
Yeah.
purchased and once worn and then forgotten, but they have a life of
Yeah.
its own.
So life shell of one Nasibo product can up to last one generation to other,
It can be, yes. Few
right?
of our
If
pieces,
kept
yes, if kept with care.
spectacularly
Yes,
with cautions,
absolutely. With kept
right?
with care and love, you can pass on your art pieces to your next generation as well.
Right, because you know, as a shopper, the emotions are attached, and every mother, friend, family, or if I buy, I would like to give it to my coming generation.
Why
Because
not?
these pieces are loved, and these are designer, one of a kind pieces, and every designer comes up to a pricing also. And when the
100%.
pricing comes up, I'm sure the brand is into affordable pricing plus into niche segment. So coming to that, can you just share the price brand starts from the bracket of 5K up to what pricing a customer can customize the product with you?
Yeah, Daksha, surely. So our starting range, as you mentioned, is 5K, and it can go
Yes.
up till 18 to 20K, depending
Wow.
on the customization that we're doing for the clients, and they're
Right.
keeping in mind their specific requirements, whether it is
Right.
about the cut, the style, the embellishments,
Right.
all of that.
Right. Shipra, apart from the forte of minute mitigalities, which I can see the detailing, the styling, the smart fittings, I also see pricing as one of the most selling factor because I have been into years of experience from a fashion designer where digital world in 2014 I know a time where digital presence on marketplaces was not at all even important. Plus there was a myth for the fashion designers to not to onboard the label as there was a mindset to copy or replica mindset was in picture for the designs for the uniqueness, but with competition with stages, I know you have also seen an era from 90s to now where you are so adaptable for today's world. The brand is exclusively positioned in the offline market. I suppose in Delhi the location is DLF Saket, which is available for all the audience. Secondly, the journey and the decision to bring the label on digital platform. And I'm sure the marketplace, the first offered by me was Amazon, which is also near and dear credibility concern is there. So Can you highlight on that?
So it was a very smooth journey, I would say, when Daksha approached us for Amazon onboarding, and she explained us in detail about the process, the legalities involved, and the way brand would be handheld in its initial stages.
Right.
I think again, I would say I'm blessed to be a part of Amazon's onboarding journey, especially
Right.
for new designers.
Right.
Uh,
Yeah.
it's very important in today's time because your digital presence, your social media presence highlights a lot of your brand culture and brand philosophy. And in today's times, we cannot just move even one step ahead without our
Sure.
appropriate digital presence.
Yes, everything is just a click away. You order, you'll get it in 9 minutes. So the consumer mindset is
Yes.
also something which they want it as immediate as they walk up to one room to another.
And how many times I have ordered a product in the night from Amazon, and 7 a.m. my doorbell rings and my product
Right.
is
Yes,
right
yes,
at the
and that's
doorstep.
how we fulfill the KRAs of feedback, ratings, and reviews, which definitely not only gives a trust and credibility to the brand value, but also add worthiness that, oh, the deliverance is something which the brand is actually seeking for.
Correct. I also want some guidance from you, Daksha.
Sure, go
How would
ahead.
our brand Nasibo be positioned digitally in the long run?
You know, Shipra, when I met, the vibe, the energy, the sustainability which I see, and that's the reason we approve the brand in one go. Though it's a 1 year old baby, it's a newborn baby.
Yeah.
However, the factors which, to answer your question, which add-ons for any particular brand, personally and with my experience, branding and visibility are the two factors which will grow only when there are certain protocols from the brand end, like production capacity,
Okay.
sustainability,
Okay.
inventory management,
Sure.
pricing.
All right.
Fourth, they like specific detailing, and the collections, the way you also launch, gives a lot of green signals to sustain it in a longer run.
All right.
The longevity to take Nasibo in global countries, like we can start with Dubai, Saudi, which is appropriate reason because the Indian heritage is very much welcomed. There are regions like US, UK, which are also dominant with the demand. However, the Indo-Western, the era is more demanded. But if we talk about the regions like Dubai, and to come up to like this, you are soon entering into Dubai for doing an exhibition, and
Yeah.
collaborating with a lot of setups over there.
Yes,
So
we
wishing
are.
all the best for the same, Shipra,
Thank you
because
so
that's a
much.
huge market, specifically where you are carrying the ethics of Indian heritage and culture.
Thank you so much, Daksha. Your good wishes, your blessings will take us forward, definitely.
Very true.
And let me honestly share something with you. The day I decided to open my store,
Right.
I think I envisioned Nasibo to become a global brand soon. And the
Yes.
first country
Amen.
that came to my mind was Dubai.
Wow.
Yeah. And
Right.
within few months, you arrived as an angel and you opened up
Right.
saying that Nasibo will be going in Dubai soon.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
So, everything aligns with the universe, with the
Yes.
vibes and the energy, and the God sense or correlates the two people in alignment when the things has to be, outcome has to be delivered. So,
Correct.
that's the same happened in your journey.
Correct.
As the collections are high fabric oriented, Shipra, so I am very excited and eager to know where is the sourcing for this particular Nasibo brand is being coming from.
Okay. So, a couple of places in Rajasthan that
Mm-hmm.
we work with artisans uh, in Rajasthan,
Right.
and Jaipur is one area, Barmer is one area,
Right.
Sanganer is one area.
Which I suppose is significant for block
Yeah,
printing also.
definitely. Authentic
Yeah.
block printing, real
Mm.
block printing happens in these
Which
places
is the
only.
forte for the collections like
Collections
Prem
like Prem,
and even Terra
even
collection.
Terra for that
Yes,
matter.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And apart from that, we have some very good contacts in
Mm.
Varanasi. So these
Wow.
weavers and artisans are
Yes.
creating some nice chanderi and silks for us, which we are
Right.
using in our Bahar collection.
Right.
Apart from that, we have linen coming from Bihar, again from manufacturers who are
Yeah.
dealing with very high quality handmade linen and not machine made or viscose linen.
Yes.
We are also getting some fabrics from Gujarat, Ahmedabad,
Hmm.
Surat.
Hmm.
Since Surat is a very now a hub of digital prints,
Yeah.
so when we had to work on our Vibes collection,
Hmm.
we thought of getting in touch with manufacturers who are
Yes, yes,
creating
yes,
some very
because,
gorgeous, beautiful
yeah,
designs.
right. Shipra, as we are coming to a conclusion for this session today, and many more talk sessions would be coming in future ahead. Is there anything which you want to know, share, or want to have a query on which I can be supportive of?
So definitely, Daksha, I have a question in mind,
Okay.
and you look gorgeous today. Let me tell you that.
Thank you so
Uh,
much for this.
as a woman, so what are your choices and recommendations about Indian wear?
Right. You know, Shipra, to add on, Nasibo is also a ethnic wear brand, and the approval to onboard you from my end also for a green signal was just because the concept which comes into your collections are completely derived and originated, which represent the culture and heritage and modernity from actually origin and the sites of India where people have not been localized or destined to reach there. So when designers are born such like that, and the efforts which you make to travel to source from regions like Barmer, Surat, Rajasthan, Jaipur, and bringing block printing and other cultures to a modernity touch, definitely from my personal recommendation, I'm also a very Indian ethnic person. However, due to my profiling, I do it very occasionally, but during seasons like if the collections are being opted, and collections like Bahar from your end is one of the festive collection which if I go, it's a one shop destination for me for a festive season, whether if I talk about Navratras, whether I talk about Diwali festive
Yeah,
eve, or something even for a smaller functions, I think it's a pick and choose. I don't have to give a second thought. So my recommendations for Indian wear is definitely there, because this is something which we carry simplicity and elegance. No Indian attire apart from Indian wears can actually predict the Indian culture.
definitely, Daksha, 100%. And I think we take pride in
Yes,
declaring ourselves, in owning ourselves as
correct.
beautiful souls on this planet residing in the country India.
Right, and as you mentioned, the tagline which attracts, and this is coming from nobody, no content writer gave you the title. Actually, you yourself, if I go through this, the Naseeb Wali concept,
Yeah,
you know, Naseeb Wali is something which is very Indian word. However, this can be understood by someone who actually connects to the culture, connects to the serenity which an as a woman somebody carries. Like I will connect it like instant, because you
yeah,
know Naseeb Wali is a mix of luck,
and
destiny,
destiny,
and a
yes.
person who is imbibed the soul. The way it is imbibed, similarly it is referred to a person who can imbibe it, and that's the
Correct.
reason we position and give a tagline as Nasibo being a Naseeb Wali. So I'm sure
True.
the clients who are actually present in this culture right now with you as your client history, and will be upcoming in future many more to go, will definitely be coming in the concept of Naseeb Wali. And
And
the
we'll be
way,
honored.
and the way, yes, yes, we are also honored the way you concept this in a way where women are empowered.
Women are empowered is what our main motto
Right,
is.
right. Because
Yeah,
with experience, grace comes, and we both are sharing the same today. So, this is something which definitely, wherever support is required, we will be helping.
thank
And
you, Daksha.
specifically, personally, I will be.
Thank you, Daksha. That's an honor for us. That's an honor for Nasibo to have women like you empowered, not only financially, but on the personality level also.
Thank you so much for these
Thank
great
you so
words.
much. Yeah. I think when I met Daksha for the first time, there was an instant energy connect. I'm a firm believer of energy connections. And there was some soulfulness in her persona, her smile, her grace, her communication, her words chosen, her confidence. And I think in her eyes, that sparkle that I'm here for you, Shipra, gave me all the mighty confidence to go ahead with her. And at the same moment, thankfully my husband and my marketing team was also there around on that day. After she went away, all the people in the room approved of our connections with Amazon, and because of Daksha only, I think I got that confidence that Nasibo will go ahead not only locally but globally as well. So Daksha, this is our Zen collection.
Right. Wow.
The fabric concept is linen,
Hmm.
pastels,
Right.
designed for all age brackets, very modern, very chic, and very
Right.
stylish concepts put together. So this is our another collection, Prem.
Right. Right. To make go through this.
These are
So these are organic cottons.
absolutely they
Wow.
are organic cottons, and the
Right.
entire printing is done with hands. It's called as hand block print.
Right. And if you see that these are all hand embroidered pearl
Yes, all the
detailing.
detailing is all done through hands itself.
Right. And this is one of the most upcoming and last season collection, the most
This is
sold
our
one.
yes, this is our statement
Right.
piece created under this
Right.
collection.
Hmm.
The latest addition in our range of collections is Vibes collection. Keeping in mind the trends for today, we have kept the colors also a little vibrant, bold. Prints are also on the bold side, but the
Yeah.
styles are very, very easy, and the cuts are very easy and breezy to carry.
Right. So comfortable to wear a Nasibo.
Absolutely, you can run them throughout the day.
Right.
Our Terra collection, which is personally
Right.
also very dear to me,
Yeah.
for a simple reason again that the concept that we've brought out here is all based on organic cotton, handmade fabrics, handmade pieces, very nicely crafted,
Yeah.
and very versatile.
Right. Plus, the minute detailing is showcasing all the embroidered work, which is definitely a very smart way to carry the elegance.
And this is designed with Farshi Salwar, which is the most trending
Wow.
concept now.
Right. Yes. Yes. In this modern era, everybody is looking for something very stunning and not heavy to carry.
Exactly,
Right.
exactly.
So this is the Bahar collection of Nasibo brand, which showcases Lurex cottons, silks, and of course, this is a very unique piece, Shipra. Can you just give us what exactly this is? Something
Oh, yeah.
more of velvet and pearls and bead, giving a very nice look. Can you just share us?
Yeah, so the fabric that we've used here is Brasso velvet, and we have combined with chandeliers. We have used some very delicately done sequence laces with pearl
Right.
details.
Right.
It has a tissue
Yeah.
chanderi dupatta
Wow. Yes.
and a tissue pants to combine with.
Right. You know, it is very airy, breezy also, because this velvet is with a mix of, I think this is, we call it net.
This is Brasso velvet, Daksha, and
Right.
which includes a little bit of net also in it. Base is net, and the other.
So in seasons like 12 months a season, it's
Yeah,
a product.
absolutely,
Basically.
absolutely.
Right.
All throughout the year, you can wear it.
Yeah.